2 minutes left. Let me give you feedback. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir, please.
very first thing I would like to tell you is that your confidence level is really good. Like, the kind of energy and the kind of confidence you have, that is good. So you don't have to worry about your confidence level while speaking to people. So in overall, you're not hesitant while expressing yourself. Correct. First thing. Second thing, your rate of speech is good. Definitely, there were no grammatical mistakes as such. But yes, you can definitely work on your sentence structure. Okay. How to articulate thoughts, articulate your thoughts. Like
Yes.
Hello.
Hello. How are you? Good morning,
I'm
sir.
good. I'm good. I'm good. Good morning. Thank you for asking. What's your name?
My name is Rohit.
Okay, so Rohit, I think this is the first time we're having a session, right?
Yeah, with you.
With me, right? That's for sure. And how many sessions have you attended so far?
Well, I have attended 12 sessions, but some session were ruined because of network issue.
Network issue. Okay. So Rohit, as we're connecting for the first time, tell me something about yourself, your brief introduction, and then we will start.
Myself, Rohit, and I am a teacher of mathematics and English grammar. Not English speaking. English speaking is a different thing.
Okay. So tell me, how was your overall experience in Clapingo?
It was stunning because all teachers are really, give us feedback which is relevant. When I talk on Clapingo, all teachers are give like feedback. You are doing this mistake and you have to do this. You have to do this. You must do this like this.
That's true.
And I have seen you, sir. I have seen you on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that. Okay, and so you also watch these Clapingo sessions online, right?
Yes. Sorry, sir.
Like you also watch these Clapingo videos.
Yes, on YouTube. Yes.
Yeah. Just to see like how the conversation is going on and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
That's nice. So tell me, what was your main reason behind joining Clapingo?
First of all, English is an international language, and I want to visit another country like Canada or America, right? England. So if I go over there, if I visit those country, I should have a command on English. I would say I must have command on English. This is the first and foremost thing, because we can introduce ourselves with English, because in India as well, there are so many languages we cannot understand. We cannot understand Tamil. We cannot understand. There are Malayalam, but when we speak English, we can speak English, and through English we can introduce ourselves. Or are you getting my point?
Yeah, sure. Continue.
Yes, that is why I'm learning English. This is the main focus.
Definitely, like English being an international language, I think wherever you go, you'll find people who would speak English, right? For a job interview, and if you travel to a different country, whether you find Hindi speaking people or not, or maybe some other language, but English people will be there.
There are so many aspects about English, as you said, job interview, right? There are so many aspects. Yes.
So as you said that you also teach grammar, but you said that spoken English is different. So while speaking, like what kind of challenges do you face?
When I write English, when it comes to write, I can write very well, because I know punctuation mark, grammar topics, tense, simple sentence, passive voice, and narration, or there are so many topics on grammar. I can write, but because when I write, I have time to think, but when we speak, we don't have time to think.
Absolutely.
Right? And this is really very different. And I have been learning English grammar last for 3 years, and I have been teaching last for 2 years English grammar. I know. Yes.
Up till what standard do you teach, like the grammar part?
11th, 12th class.
11th, 12th standard. Very nice. Okay. So I think your writing would be like good, right?
Yes, sir.
But while speaking, you're having some challenges. Okay, so
Yes.
when you are asked some general questions, you can answer all these questions, correct?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
I'll ask you something which is quite generic, quite general, and then the second time I'll ask you a hypothetical question. Okay?
Okay.
And then
Okay.
let's see how well you'll be able to articulate your thoughts on that topic. Is that okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the first
Good. Good.
question, yeah, that's very basic in nature. Like, tell me something about your hobbies. You know, leisure
Yes.
time activities. Yeah. Hmm.
I love working out, sir. And
Mhm.
you can see my
What
hand.
happened?
I have
What happened to
injured.
your hand?
Yes, I have injured yesterday. I have got
Mhm.
injured yesterday when
Mhm.
I was doing push up, push up, and
Mhm.
the plate, like dumbbell was capped on my back, and I was
Mhm.
doing push up. Then dumbbell like slept, and that was fell down on my finger here,
Oh my God.
and it is fractured.
I'll tell you
I
something.
think.
You should not have kept a dumbbell on your in your back.
Not dumbbell. That was not dumbbell. That was plate.
It was a plate.
Yes.
Okay, it slipped. It slipped and fell on your hand. Okay,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
terrible. Now
And
you
it
can't
was
go to
first
gym.
and it was first time right now, sir. I am 24,
Mm.
and when I was in 8th class,
Mm.
I used to work out, and I am doing workout from since childhood.
Since childhood.
Yes, it was first time when I got injured.
Yeah, it happens. Sometimes it happens. You should be like more careful, right?
Yeah. So
Mm.
I love, this is my hobby. I love working out, and
Mm.
I listen song, and I love reading. And nowadays I am reading Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita, very nice. How many pages have you read? And I think Bhagavad Gita is quite a lengthy book.
Yes, yes. This is a holy book. So it's going on my first chapter,
Okay.
observing the battlefield. Yes.
Battlefield. Oh, great.
Yes.
Okay. Do you also love to travel to different places?
Yes. But sir, I went to, Vrindavan.
Yes, I went to
I went,
Vrindavan 2 days
I
ago.
went over, I went over there with my best friend. I
Mm.
love traveling, but I don't have money. This was that I could
Mhm.
travel so far, like other country or other. I want to go other countries like Canada or UK. But for that I should have money.
Money is
Yes,
important, while
money is
traveling, I think
important. Yes,
money is really important. But yes, I
yes.
think, in a particular year, you should at least visit two places which you have never been before, right? At least one place. I make sure that I'm going to at least one or two places which I haven't visited because I also love to travel a lot. I'm from Uttarakhand. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. And if you talk about Uttarakhand, I have covered almost 80%, 80 to 90% of Uttarakhand. Okay. All the major treks, the major destinations, I have covered everything. Okay. Now I'm planning
wow.
to visit Himachal Pradesh. I've just been to a few places in Himachal. So if I talk about your travel desire, like which country would you like to visit, outside
Uh,
India, if you get a chance and when you're financially, strong,
Strong.
maybe in future. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which country would you like to visit for the first time in your life?
I would like to visit America, US.
USA. Okay.
Yeah.
Just for a vacation, like why are you fascinated about USA? Like why do you want to go to USA?
Because I have seen like I watched web series that is Friends.
Mm.
So that is why I am curious about American culture. I want to see American culture, not only America. I am curious about the culture like England. What is the culture of England? What is the culture of America? What is the culture of Canada? I want to see culture, different
Different
countries.
different cultures, different people, and everything, right?
Yes, I'm interested about it.
That's nice. That's good actually. And okay, so USA, like which city would you like to visit in particular?
Where I cannot remember right now what is the city name. There are so
New
many
York.
cities. New York is the, yes, this is the famous one.
New York is the most famous, right? Where
Yes,
Friends
yes,
was shot. Friends.
yes, yes. This is
Friends was shot in New York only.
yes.
Mm.
Like I, I didn't watch particular like a complete web series, friends, but I watch little clip every day for my improving English.
Okay, little clips. That's
Yes,
nice. That's a better way to improve your communication for sure.
yes,
Okay, 2 minutes left. Let me give you feedback. Okay.
yes,
So
sir, please.
very first thing I would like to tell you is that your confidence level is really good. Like, the kind of energy and the kind of confidence you have, that is good. So you don't have to worry about your confidence level while speaking to people. So in overall, you're not hesitant while expressing yourself, correct? First thing. Second thing, your rate of speech is good. Definitely, there were no grammatical mistakes as such. But yes, you can definitely work on your sentence structure. Okay. How to articulate thoughts, articulate your thoughts. Like when
Yes.